P2B JetCat V12, a brand new ECU data converter from CB Electronics. It comes with a EOS speed sensor kit and a unique, rich new feature set and new displays, like the current display and the current counter display, where you can monitor your charge that you have used from your ECU battery. Here you can see the data converter wake up after the core boot sequence, typical displays. We find here, you see the amps and the milliamps counter, and we will have also the selectable typical list that you know from your core transmitter. All available data displays you will find also on our web page listed. We have also built in a comprehensive setup menu. There you find, for example, the EOS short voice feature, which speeds up the voice output of your core transmitter. On the second setup page, you find the version number of the ECU data converter and the core master address, just for information. Baud Booster V12 is a new feature. In order to activate, make a tick in the line and then go to the ECU setup, go to Limits menu, dial up the baud rate, go or change it from 9600 to 150K, and you are done. Top line of page 3 of the setup menu, reset milliamps, will activate the reset function in order to reset the milliamps counter. Page 4 of the setup menu will allow you the selection of your turbine that you have in use. Select it and then activate the turbine type. Leave the menu with menu exit always. The P2B JetCat V12 ECU data converter is tailor-made for the combination of a V12 ECU from JetCat and the core telemetry system. Like many other ECU data converters from us, the P2B JetCat V12 ECU data converter gives you the galvanic separation in order to have a maximum security level. Galvanic separation protects your receiver from an ESD high voltage pulse. Okay, let's start the turbine. Yeah, the start sequence was initiated and we see here the run-up, the start sequence of the P130 with V12 ECU and the P2B JetCat V12 ECU data converter from CB Electronics. Please be so kind and take a sharp look at the current and current counter display of this brand new Beastie Boy. Well, let's reduce the turbine sound with the audio mixer so you can hear me much better, I believe. And you see the turbine is spooling up, learn low as a status message, and now run regulated. And we are in full control of the turbine now. Playing a little bit with the throttle stick gives us the expected changes in stick position or turbine RPM. At the next page, you see a different arrangement of the core telemetry display fields. You see the thrust field left lower corner. And another next page, you see run regulated status or the off condition, which is interesting after stopping of the turbine. At the top left corner, you see the EOS speed display with 0 kilometers at the moment. The P2B JetCat V12 comes with an EOS kit, like I mentioned before. This data converter gives you the strongest link, the strongest data interface between your powerful core telemetry and the brand new ECU V12 from JetCat. Advanced and proven ECU data converter from CB electronics and telemetry data at your fingertips. And now I think it's time to shut down the turbine and please take a look at the pump voltage. At the pump switch off point, you get an immediate flame out warning. Imagine you would have a flame out in flight. Then it is absolutely key that you have a fast and correct warning of the situation. This will give you then additional time in order to try to land your jet. Now, since the turbine has switched off, we have plenty of time to walk through the displays. Left top corner turbine off, right top corner auto of the off condition, which is absolutely correct. You see the current of post cooling around 700 milliamps and the current counter with 348 milliamps. By the way, the milliamps counter is stored inside the controller. So this means with the next turbine start, you get the accumulated value of the counter back, and you have or you stay then total control of your discharge ECU battery. Thanks for watching this video.